Well, hey, if it isn't my favorite little apprentice, what are you doing out in these woods, Cutie? Gathering ingredients. For what? A potion? Huh. Since when were you into alchemy? So what kind of potion? Oh? A secret potion? Look at you, acting all secretive and shady. You, my dear, will be a wizard in no time if you keep acting like that. Just don't forget this little forest witch who taught you your first spells. I was so proud of you. Most boys run away from witches like us, but you followed me home and begged me to teach you magic. Uh-huh, you did. Don't you remember? Oh, please, please, please. I've been entranced by your beauty. I love you. Please teach me your magical ways, you wonderful witch, you. I'm pretty sure that's how it went. Well, you were definitely thinking it. So, what ingredients do you need? I don't remember teaching you how to gather ingredients in the wild. How do you know what you're collecting? Here, show me what you've got. Okay, you have some decent stuff here. I think this is just a stick. You don't need that. No, you don't. It's okay. Just toss that away. Yeah. Wait, what's this? It looks like you have a lot of mushrooms. You do know about half of them are poisonous, right? Anybody who drinks a potion using these is bound to get really sick. Alright, I guess we'll have to go back to my cabin. You can go ahead and pick out some ingredients from my kitchen. Here, take my hand. I don't want you getting lost. Plus, I like how shy you get every time. I guess holding a pretty girl's hands gets you flustered. Aw, look at you. Come on. We're almost home. Alright then. You know where the kitchen is, so go and collect your ingredients. I'll get the cauldron boiling. Fire, burning, cauldron, bubble. Oh, nothing. Have you got the stuff? Okay, come on over. It's time to start mixing the ingredients. I want to see what you're making. And yes, 100% I will be judging you on how well you make it. I am your teacher after all. Consider this a test. Now, show me your potion making skills. Fresh honeycomb and strawberry seeds. How sweet. What else? The feather of a morning dove with the dust from a butterfly's wings. So something that makes you feel all floaty and good. Very nice. Burnt sage wrapped in a spider's web. Huh. Why does this potion seem familiar? A crushed bloomstrom along with dark chocolate. Oh. Are you making a love potion? You are? You are making a love potion. Oh, you naughty boy! Oh, please, did you think a master witch like myself wouldn't recognize a simple love potion? And tell me, just who were you thinking of giving this to? Come on, tell me. Tell me. Please, 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 please. Is it me? It was me, wasn't it? Oh, cutie. You don't have to give me a love potion. You know I already love you. Besides, a love potion of this strength really isn't going to do much. Nope. Please. If all a love potion took was some feathers, mushrooms, and chocolate, then any backstreet apothecary can make one. But it was a great first try, though. Of course, I'm being honest. I mean, with this, you could make a person want to hug you for like a whole hour. Isn't that great? Well, in the future, if you wanted a more powerful potion, then you can add rose petals to the end of it. Yeah, that'll add a little bit of a punch into it. I think there are some around here. Over there, to your left. That jar of crushed roses. Just throw all of that in there. Yeah, all of it. Just all of it. Throw it all in there. Yep, you got it. Who knows? Maybe after that, it'll be strong enough for me to want to give you a kiss. Wouldn't you like that? You're so flustered. I love it. Come on. Grab that jar over there. It's almost done. I'll keep stirring. Alright, throw it all in. Go! Yep, just all of it. All of it. Come on, throw it all in. Yeah, nope, it's not too much. Keep going. Yep, perfect. And we're done. Congratulations, you made your first ever love potion. Do you see how pink it is? It's all the extra roses. Although it really shouldn't be this pink. Not at your level, anyway. Still, nowhere near the full strength stuff. Regardless, I'll reward you for your effort. Pass me my cup, good sir. Okay, bottoms up. It's not bad. It's very sweet. It's a bit too much mushroom for my liking, but that's fine, I guess. Oh, I'm feeling a little tingly now. This is where the love potion takes into effect. The first creature I lock eyes with, I'll become infatuated with. Or in this case, mildly more interested in. Wait. Sweetie? Why is the jar of crushed roses still there? I said my left. Oh. Did I say your left? Okay, just not to worry. It still tastes like a love potion, so probably isn't anything crazy. Just, read me the label and, let's just find out what we added in here. Ah. The dried tears of a nymph. That's... Okay, just... It's not a love potion anymore. Sweetie, just step back, okay? Just let me think. Oh god, feeling a little lightheaded here. You should head home. Yeah, you definitely should go home. It's okay. I'm fine. I'm not hurt or anything. I'm gonna be okay. I'm just, I'm worried about, your safety. Mm-hmm. No, don't come any closer. It's going to be really bad. Really, really bad. Just go stand over there. Back up. All the way. Yep, back up. Mm-hmm. No, don't come any closer. Just stay back, okay? Just trust me. It's gonna get really, really bad.